Hello and welcome to another New to Mac episode of Apple a Day. So, you just minimized a window. Now, where the heck did it go? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in today's episode. So let's jump right in. As you can see on my screen, I've got 4 Safari windows and 3 Numbers documents open. So the first thing I'm going to do is minimize them. Now, you can do this a few different ways. You can click on this yellow minimize icon with the dash in it. Now, you'd have to do this for each window. The keyboard equivalent of clicking on that dash is to press Command M. I'll do that for these last 2 Safari windows. Now, if you wanted to minimize every window for the current application, you can press Command Option M, and all the windows for that application would be minimized. I'll do that for these Numbers documents. First, I'll go into Numbers, and then press Command Option M, and they all get minimized. So now my desktop is nice and clean, but where are these minimized windows? If I look at the dock, there's no icon added to Numbers or Safari to indicate that they contain minimized windows. So let me show you 3 different ways in which to see these hidden minimized windows. Method number 1. Use the application's window menu. So in Safari, I'll go to the Windows menu in the top menu bar, and at the bottom of this menu you can see that there are 4 window names, each with a diamond beside it. The diamond symbol indicates that the window is minimized. If I select that window, it will open up. Note that the window maintains its position and size. Method number 2. Another way to see the same list of windows is to click and hold the application icon on the dock. I'll click and hold on the Safari application icon, holding it until this pop-up menu appears. And at the top of this menu, you can see those same minimized windows with the accompanying diamond icons. Once again, that diamond indicates the window's been minimized. Selecting the window from this menu will, of course, open that window. Method number 3. You can actually see thumbnails of the minimized windows by using the application Expose feature in macOS. If you have a trackpad, you can swipe down with 4 fingers to view Expose. If you don't have a trackpad, you can press the Control key plus the down arrow on your keyboard to do the same thing. I'll swipe down with 4 fingers right now. Expose will let you see all of the open windows of the current application. You can also see the thumbnails of the minimized windows. That's in this section right here. And again, if you want to open one of these windows, simply click on it. Note that Expose may also show you recent documents opened by that application. This is what is happening in Numbers. I'll switch over to Numbers now and swipe down with 4 fingers on the trackpad. I only have 3 document windows minimized, but this list is much larger. That's because these items here on the right have recently been opened. Let's clean that up by going up to the File menu and down to Open Recent and then choose Clear Menu. Now if I view Expose, I only see the minimized windows in this bottom section. And that's all there is to finding your minimized windows. But there's one last thing I want to show you. It's a quick way to retrieve the most recently minimized window. Simply clicking on the application icon in the dock will open the window which was minimized last. It uses a last-in, first-out approach. Now, this only works if there are no windows currently visible. So, for example, if 3 windows are minimized, I couldn't just keep clicking on this icon to open them. Let me demonstrate. I'm in Numbers and I still have 2 documents minimized. I'm going to close this document so no document will be visible. Then I'll go and click on the application icon in the dock, and you can see that it opens the last document that was minimized. If I click the app icon again, nothing happens. I'll close this Numbers document and then click on that app icon one more time, and you can see that it opened the next minimized document. So that's pretty handy if you're only minimizing 1 document at a time or 1 window at a time, and you want to quickly bring it back. I use that feature quite a bit. Okay, that's all there is to that. Thanks again for watching. I'm John Martins. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of Apple a Day.